In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise for Pandabuy. If you want a quick, secure way to pay on Pandabuy without using a physical card, a Wise digital card is a great option. It lives inside your Wise account and works just like a regular card for online checkouts. Here's exactly how to set it up and where to find the details you'll need. Start by getting a Wise digital card. Open your Wise account and look for the Cards section on the left side of the screen. This is where all your cards are managed. Click Cards, then select Order a new card. When you're asked what type of card you want, choose Digital. This creates a virtual card that you can use online right away, with no mailing or waiting for a physical card. You'll be prompted to enter your details. Fill in the requested information carefully and make sure everything is accurate. Wise uses this information to generate your card and keep your account secure. Once you've submitted your details, your new digital card will be created. You'll see it listed alongside any other cards in your cards area. Next, click on the card you just created. To use it for payment, you'll need the actual numbers, so select Card Details. For security, Wise will ask you to enter your password before revealing anything sensitive. Go ahead and enter your password. This step helps protect your card information so only you can access it. After you verify, you'll see the full card details, the card number, expiry date, and security code. These are the exact details you'll enter at checkout on Pandabuy. When you're paying on Pandabuy, type in the card number, the expiry date, and the security code exactly as shown. Make sure your billing address in Pandabuy matches what Wise has for your account to avoid verification hiccups. If Wise prompts you for an extra confirmation, like a security notification or a code in the Wise app, approve it to complete the payment securely. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Only enter your card details on the official Pandabuy checkout page, never share them in messages, and double check for typos before submitting. If you prefer extra peace of mind, you can return to the card section afterward and review or temporarily freeze your digital card when you're not using it. That's all there is to it. You've created a Wise digital card, opened its card details securely, and you're ready to use it for payment on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching, and happy checkout.